Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 1910th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. I'm a little tired this week. I had a late night last night staying up with markets, so I'm going to just give you one of these desktop shoots this evening, if you don't mind. But please follow along. It's a very interesting video. Traders, as we know, futures trading is extremely risky. So is stock trading, ETF trading, options trading, baseball card trading, you name it. If you trade anything these days, it's very risky. Please know that. Never trade without stops. A stop is your best friend. And always come on down to livewithoscar.com and join me in my free live trading room, where then I will give you a 2-week free trial to my platinum room. And in that platinum room, I'll give you recommendations where we're buying, where we're selling, where to place your stops in the Emini, S&P, Russell, Nasdaq, and markets of that nature, sometimes in stocks as well. I'll give those to you in real time. This is a 2-week free trial. Please take advantage of it, traders. Come on down to livewithoscar.com, go into my free live trading room, and ask about your free trial. All right, let's get moving. So, we live by the OMNI sword and we die by the OMNI sword here at the OMNI Trading Academy. However, there's something different going on. So if you recall this chart, we got above the 200 bar moving average right here. And we said, now what? And it bounced back down. And we got back above the 200. And this time we got above that red line, right? Well, we stayed above the 200. And we got above the red line, and I wrote, now what? And I put a question mark right here for us. And that was the last time we used this chart. Well, now what? I am here to tell you that tomorrow, that is Wednesday, March 20th, is a Fed announcement day. The Fed will make an announcement. The Fed will absolutely positively not raise rates. Let me get rid of one of those D's if you don't mind, kids. The Fed will not raise rates. I doubt there's going to be any surprise, covert. Guess what, kids? Surprise rate hike. Here you go. Boom. That's not happening tomorrow, right? The Fed's been very transparent. So barring anything insane, I don't think much happens that we wouldn't expect. However, we have noted that Fed announcement days create dollar volatility, which creates volatility in all of the other markets. So we generally will not trade on Fed announcement days, and the Fed announcement day is Wednesday, March 20th. However, there's an interesting setup here that it's an Oscarism, I like to call a swing day setup, and I will give you my permission to take that setup. The idea is to get in the swing day, get out of the swing day, and get out of the market's way long before the Fed makes any announcements. So let me show you what I'm jabberjawing here about. Let's go here. Boom. Care to ride the swing day, anybody? Well, the swing day is a setup that I have been using for many years, an Oscarism, if you will, and it tells me to tell you that I expect tomorrow's bar to fill in like this. We get short, it will dump, we will get out, and then we will sidestep this market long before the Fed does anything. So, short, down, out, finished. That's our plan for trading on Wednesday. So this is my swing trade. This is my expectation of what tomorrow's bar should look like. Some fashion of a pullback where we could get out of the trade, and then whatever happens after that doesn't matter to me. So that's what we're planning on doing for March 20th, being out long before the Fed makes their announcement. Traders, if you like the information I've put forth in these videos for the past 13 years, please comment on them, like the videos, share them, and don't forget, make sure you subscribe at YouTube so that you know every time I'm going to put out another video. As soon as it comes out, you're notified. Again, please comment, like, and share these videos. I'd love to up my viewership a little bit. It's a shame we put out such good material and we have such, smaller viewership than some of the crooks out there. So I'd prefer to take some of that viewership and help them out. If you'll help me, please comment. If you care to ride the swing day, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Go into my free live trading room, and I will give you a 2-week free trial and explain in my platinum room how to trade the swing day. All right, traders, keep your emotions out of trading. In my opinion, one of the best things you can do is not trade, silly. Then you won't have any emotions at all. If you must trade, put your stops in first. Watch my videos. Come to livewithoscar.com and say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.